Hi, Deadlocks here again. Today I'm trying to escape from these ASP Model 100 handcuffs with a chocolate bar wrapper. Oh, I dropped the chocolate bar wrapper, one of the two.
I like dropping things. You've got butter in on the middle, snake, and then crystals popping out to see what's going on the bottom. It's the first time I've seen Crystal out in a very long time. She must have been living inside a coke ground.
I think she has been. I haven't seen much of her unless she's eaten.
So she's out now. She's poked her head out. She must smell dinner.
It's easier to get this in the hole when you're doing it at the desk.
When you what?
Doing it at the desk.
Well, you could sit down and try and do it.
I think it's more the fact that the handcuffs are on me. There we go. Think I've won?
I reckon it's just because it's big.
Huh?
I reckon it's just because it's big. Hey!
And I'm free.
Woohoo!
Yeah, so all I did for that one was have the cuffs without the double lock on. And the tricky bit is getting all around there in all at the same time. Well, it's been incredibly easy now just because I'm not in handcuffs. Then you have to click it in a couple just to get it over the locking pole. Pull it down tight and slide it out.
Woohoo!
That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.